Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for car sales. To begin, understand who your potential buyers are and where they spend their time online. Focus your efforts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, where you can reach them most effectively. Establish a strong, consistent brand identity across all your chosen channels. This foundational step is crucial for building recognition and trust with your audience from day one. Next, focus on creating compelling content that captures attention. High-resolution photos and dynamic videos of your vehicles are essential. Showcase unique features and benefits. Regularly share authentic customer testimonials and success stories to build social proof. Furthermore, engage your audience with interactive polls, quizzes, and questions about their preferences. Aim for at least 3 to 5 engaging posts per week to maintain visibility and interest. Building trust and fostering a community is paramount for long-term success. Always respond promptly and thoughtfully to every comment and direct message you receive, ideally within 1 hour. Offer valuable advice and answer common car buying questions transparently. Consider hosting live question and answer sessions to connect directly with your audience, providing real-time interaction and demonstrating your expertise. This personal touch builds strong relationships. Finally, convert your engagement into actual sales. Include clear calls to action in your posts, guiding interested individuals to the next step. Encourage private messages for personalized offers, test drive appointments, or detailed vehicle information. Continuously monitor your social media analytics to understand what content performs best and refine your strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures your efforts are always optimized for maximum sales impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.